This is the electrical short circuit current calculator, which determines the maximum fault current that can flow through a transformer during a short circuit condition. Let's walk through the three input fields. First, we have transformer kVA rating, where you enter the transformer's kilovolt ampere rating. Next is transformer impedance expressed as a percentage, which represents the transformer's internal resistance to current flow. Finally, system voltage in volts specifies the operating voltage of your electrical system. For this demonstration, I'll enter 1000 for the kVA rating, 5.75 for the impedance percentage, and 480 for the system voltage. After clicking Calculate Short Circuit Current, the calculator processes these values to determine the fault current characteristics. The results show the maximum short circuit current that would flow if a bolted fault occurred at the transformer terminals. This value is critical for selecting properly rated circuit breakers and other protective equipment. The calculator also provides the fault current in both symmetrical and asymmetrical forms, helping engineers ensure their electrical distribution systems can safely interrupt fault conditions without equipment damage. Find the link in the description below